Thankyou here. Welcome back to this channel. So, of course, Halloween na tomorrow and hopefully it will be up by tomorrow. Oh my god. So we're going to create something fantasy slash horror. I already moisturized my face. I'll be using the Quick FX for my primer. Daming ganap sa life. Diyos ko, Lord. So, tapos na tayong mag-primer. We will go to our foundation. Shik, 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 shik. Ano to siya, guys? Konting white. Pero, alam nyo naman ako, yan. Muna. Pang Halloween na to. Perfect! Perfect! So, gumanda naman ang ating cuties in fairness. Now, I will be mixing these two, which is the Still A Luminous and the 310 na Maybelline. Focusing here, a bit dark sa first na nilagay ko. But, lagay ko lang yan to make my, parang base sa aking mukha. Though, naglagay ako ng primer. But then, basta, sundan nyo na lang guys ang aking drama today. Oh, kita nyo yung glow. The glowing effect day. So, napuno na ko sa foundation. Oh, the glow. Next step, we will be setting this with, mawawala yung glow. But then, it will pick through later. Kasi alam niyo naman yung skin ko. If you've been watching my videos, my skin is super oily. And kahit anong patong mo dyan, nag-oil talaga siya. This just to make the foundation stay a little bit longer on my face. Oh my god, sunshine and mapagkit. Hindi na tayo mag-bake-bake. Hindi na kailangan. Purple, ating kilay, purple, violet, purple, whatsoever. So, natapos ko na yung kagala. Same lang talaga yung paghubog ko sa kilay ko, guys. Unahin ko yung tail para snatch na siya. Tapos, lower, upper, middle, and blend. Iba yata ang hugis ng aking kilay sa kabila. Tapos, blend nyo lang here. Focus. Simple lang yung eyeshadow natin. Isang transition and two purple color. Light and dark. So, same lang yung nilagay ko sa lower lash. I decided to place a little bit of pop of green till blue here. Tapos parang magkakulay naman, no? Parang meron siyang variation of color. Place some eyeliner on my eyes and false lashes, and I'll be back. I've got sunshine in my pocket. So guys, hindi ko alam bakit nilagyan ko siya ng ganyan. Good luck if makambal ba to, guys? Yan, hindi pantay. Hirap naman magpantay nito. Yan. Maganda to if liquid eyeliner kasi dali lang. Use things kung anong meron ka. Hindi yung hanap ka ng hanap, at the end, wala kang mahanap, nawala na tuloy yung first na nahanap mo. Yan, kagaya ng love. Choose ka ng choose, at the end, pangit na. So, we're going to fill this up. Yan lang, simple lang siya. Yan. Silulog. Ating lips, gagamitin natin ang matte lipstick. Ang gagawin natin, gagamitan natin ang purple, of course. Multi-purpose. Kaon ko, daghang nukos. Para mainani. Ew! So guys, this is just a story about, I just wanted to portray this as the nature itself, and then it's very sad that a lot of people are throwing their garbage everywhere. And this is a call. This makeup is not just for Halloween, but a calling to clean our places, a calling to throw our garbage properly, and a calling to help one another to dispose our garbage properly. And unlike this place that I'm showing to you, I hope that a lot of people will help me to clean this mess. And I'm tapping on our beloved Mayor Hong Chan of Lapu-Lapu City to help me clean this place, and as well as our barangay captain here. So I hope you're going to help me clean this place, and see you there. Bye bye. So this is it na guys, yung Halloween version of this look, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified in my upcoming videos. And I ordered this sa Shopee lang guys. I'm going to place the link in the description box, and this one is from Sis Michiko. I'm going to place her link as well on her Shopee account. This is a fake blood. She also makes latex, liquid latex, car wax, and mga pang Halloween. So if you want to order something from her, so check down the description box. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now. Saranghe. I've got sunshine in my pocket. Na 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 na. Let's stop.